Now as we return to the Hampton Inn JFK, we're continuing now with the solution to this circuit. And you have to right now that delta is equal to this. And if we put in the values by inspection here, we see now that this is equal now, R11 would be equal now to 6 and 4, 10. So that will be 10. And let's see, minus J2 here. Minus J2. 10 minus J2. And R, this will be a plus R12 now is the parameters now in the resistance, inductance, and capacitance parameter in the 1 and 2 mesh here. And what we see here is that this is common, 1 and 2, the 4 ohms and the minus J2. So this will be 4 minus J2. And we say that mutual resistances or capacitance should be negative. Actually, this is mesh 3 according to our diagram, and this is mesh 2 over here. So I2 would be over here, and I2 would be going in the anti-clockwise direction according to this diagram. Usually we make everything, we assume everything in one direction. But this one we're assuming that this one is going in the anti-clockwise direction already. So actually this is supposed to be 1 and 2, there's nothing between 1 and 2 that is mutual, so this is supposed to be 0. So we have made a mistake here, so this is supposed to be 0 and 0 here, which is really 0. And 1, 3, between mesh 1 and 3 would be 4 minus J2. 4 minus J2. Between 2 and 1 would be 0 again. Or this is 2 and this is 1. There's nothing common there, or mutual. Between 2 and 2, this is 2. It would be, add up these 3 and 3, 6. And that would be 6 minus 6. 6 minus J6. And between R2, 3, 2 and 3 is only 3 ohms there, minus 3. Now between R3 and 1, 3 and 1, we have 4 minus J2. Between 3 and 2, mesh 3 and 2, we have only 3 ohms here again. That's a minus 3. And between now R3 and 3, this is 3 and 3, we add up these, we get 4 and 3, 7, and 2, 9. Right? 4 and 3, 7, and 2, 9. Then we add up the inductances. We have J4 and minus J2 would leave us with plus J2. So this will be 9 plus J2. All right. So there we have put in the elements by inspection. So this is mesh 3. Usually we have mesh 2 adjacent to mesh 1, but in this case we have mesh 3 separating and mesh 2 on the end. So we have to be careful, how we put in the elements here. So for mesh 3 and the 3 by 3, the elements here are 3, 3, we would have now 4 and 3, 7, and 2, 9. And then we add up now minus J2 and plus J4, which will give us a plus J2. And so there we have the elements. And let's do the voltages now. For V1 in mesh 1, we have now 10. V2, we have now 6 and 30. Six at angle 30 degrees. And for V3, we have 0.